Kids Storybooks. Subscribe.
Foolish Lion. Once upon a time, in the heart of the jungle, there lived a lion named Leo. Leo was known for his golden mane and his booming roar, but sadly, he was also known for being the most foolish lion in the jungle. One day, Leo overheard the other animals talking about a magical tree that bore the sweetest fruits anyone had ever tasted. Determined to prove he was the bravest, Leo set off on a quest to find this enchanted tree. As Leo journeyed through the dense forest, he encountered various challenges, like crossing a roaring river and navigating a thorny thicket. Each time, instead of using his wit, Leo charged forward, getting himself into even more trouble. Finally, after days of stumbling through the jungle, Leo stumbled upon the magical tree. The sweet aroma of its fruits filled the air. However, instead of enjoying the moment, Leo, in his foolishness, decided to climb the tree to get an even better view of the jungle. But lions are not known for their climbing skills, and soon enough, Leo found himself stuck high up in the branches. The other animals gathered below, chuckling at Leo's predicament. In the end, it was the wise old owl who flew up and rescued Leo, gently guiding him back to the ground. Leo learned an important lesson that day: sometimes, it's better to think before you roar. And from that day on, the jungle echoed with laughter, as Leo's foolish adventure became a favorite tale among all the animals.